Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We will be comparing two drones in the same category, the Bwine F7MINI drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Let's dive right in and see how these drones stack up against each other. When it comes to drones, having a high-quality camera is essential. The Bwine F7MINI drone boasts an optimized Full HD camera with a shock absorption ball. Imported from Germany, it can capture UHD 4K high-resolution details, ensuring stunning video recordings and photos. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows for a broader shooting range and breathtaking field of view. Both drones excel in the camera department, providing users with incredible footage. Now let's talk about GPS functionality. The Bwine F7MINI drone comes equipped with GPS Smart Fly features. It can automatically return whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or with just one key press. It also has intelligent functions like following you automatically, flying along a set path, and flying around a point in circles. Additionally, it has multi-sensors, air optical flow, and air pressure altitude control systems, ensuring stable flight both indoors and outdoors. Similarly, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers stable height and optical flow positioning thanks to its brushless motors. It also has ground detection and strong wind resistance capabilities. Both drones provide advanced GPS functionality that enhances the flying experience. Battery life is always a crucial factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Bwine F7MINI drone comes with two batteries, providing up to 60 minutes of flight time. This allows for longer training sessions and more fun in the sky. It also has 9 kinds of overcurrent protection when charging, ensuring safety. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers a flight time of up to 40 minutes with its two 1,600 mAh batteries. It also comes with extra spare fan blades and a storage bag for convenience. Both drones offer impressive battery life, allowing users to enjoy extended flight sessions. Design is not just about aesthetics, it also plays a role in functionality and portability. The Bwine F7MINI drone weighs under 250 grams, saving you from FAA registration. Its advanced foldable design makes it easy to carry anywhere without restrictions. Additionally, its F7MINI brushless motors run more powerfully and quietly compared to brushed motors. It also features a layer of protection net, preventing interference from foreign objects during flight. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera features a strengthened casing and exterior painting, eliminating the plastic feel. It also comes with a carrying case for convenient outdoor travel. Both drones have unique designs that cater to different user preferences. The Bwine F7MINI drone is a great value for its price point and is a good introductory option for those interested in drones. It is easy to set up and use, although it requires some hand-eye coordination. Despite personal challenges, the drone has provided a fun and exhilarating experience. The videos and pictures taken with the drone are of high quality. The reviewer had an accident that damaged the drone, but Bwine's customer support was helpful and provided replacement parts. Overall, the reviewer highly recommends the Bwine F7MINI drone as a great device and a great company to deal with. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the Bwine F7MINI drone and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Both drones offer exceptional features and capabilities, making them great choices for aerial photography and videography enthusiasts. Remember to consider your specific needs and preferences when making your decision. Thank you for watching this episode of Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you next time.